This is a red oak TV stand for a customer. You can see from the original drawing that it's about 37 by 15 deep by 22 tall. The corners are mitered, and then we have a cross rail. These three elements, the stiles and the rail here and this stile here, are 2.3 inches wide, but I made the cross member rail down here about another 1/4 or 3/8 inch taller. Just seemed to be the correct way. And we have a 1/4 inch reveal on the front. This is almost 1 inch thick red oak, and it's a single board, being about 15 inches wide. This is very strong. It has mortise and tenon jointery here and there, whereas I've used biscuits, plates on the miters and down there on the rail. So this being the front side. Now I'm going to be putting a stain on it, probably a red oak, to get it a little darker. That's basically it. I like the proportions. Now we can make one up out of white oak, red oak, bubinga if you'd like, or any of the commonly available woods species. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.